Este perro saltó de la ventana de un tercer piso. Ahora está sujeto por su correa. Después de 20 minutos, los vecinos lo ven. Y uno es lo suficientemente valiente para ayudar. Subirlo no funciona. El perro está perdiendo lentamente la fuerza. Pero el hombre no se rinde aún. La valentía de este hombre salvó al perro.
What the hell? Come here. Which house do you belong to? You got a number? Come here. Okay. Phone number. Okay. Let's have a look, eh? 04.
Service has reached its expiry date and cannot be used.
Oh, what? I'm gonna credit. I got a feeling it's this one. Where'd he go? Hey! Hey! Excuse me, do you got a phone? A phone? Because this dog was just sitting in the road. It's got a number on it, but I got no credit. It might be. It's going over that way.
Hello, my name's Anthony. I've got your dog. 179. I'm just riding by. You're right.
So this is his house?
174 she's at.
174?
She's coming to get it.
Okay. Where are you going? Come here. No. Do you know who it is? I just rang the lady. I rang the lady. Yeah. I think this is them here. Alright.
Come here, you naughty puppy dog. Thank you.
He didn't move, he just literally stood there as I was coming, yeah. Yeah. For that. No worries.